Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce this JF.EGWO F40-3750A 6000 ampere jump starter car battery booster. 65 watt power charging, total of 230 watt power bank pro. That means if you have a power pack for start your engine, but you have also a power bank for recharge nearly all devices which are USB-C wired and battery operated, of course. And you can reload this 6000 ampere jump starter easy peasy by using an AC adapter, for example. 12 volt car jump starter, that's perfect for startup gasoline and diesel engines. Round about 80 jump starts per charger available. We have there a really easy to use device because we have only one button operation. We get this battery booster pack at the near of the positive and negative pole of the battery in our car. Maybe because the battery is nearly dead, she's empty or it is empty. And then you are going to connect the clamp system with the jump starter. After this process, you connect the red wire with the clamp to the positive terminal of our battery, which is installed in our car, and you can find for this a remote access, or you go directly to the battery port and the black clamp come to a ground port area or the negative terminal of your starter battery. Then have a seat and start the engine. After you started the engine, of course, you can go back to the car jump starter and disconnect all connections. And while the engine is running, of course. We have here a really cool charging system. That means it brings us a rubber's power bank with it. We have an LED flash for use it as a torchlight. We have a boost function to get all what's in that here. If you have no success while you perform a standard jump start, then you can use the booster, and we can reload our smartphone, for example, with this power pack here. We have advanced safety with this jump starter, featuring protections including spark-proof, overcharge, overcurrent, and more for our peace of mind, and a boost button for quick starts, of course. And it's versatile. We have a super 400 lumen LED light with a steady strobe and so on. We have a lot of cable which we can easily use and clamp it to the positive and negative terminal of the battery. And if there is a green LED shown that the jump starter is ready for drive the engine in a circle. This brings our car back to life in seconds. We have ultra safe reverse polarity protection, spark protection, all metal design. We have an easy peasy super bright LED flashlight with strobe and SOS, of course, and this device here should be in every truck, in every car, because some days you will need it. This is the JF.EGWO 6000 ampere jump starter car battery booster pack, the F40, which comes with an option of the power bank. That's professional, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.